चला आज आपण बघू सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 1 याची इंग्लिश मीडियममधून आलेली प्रश्नसंच क्वेश्चन बँक. यामध्ये बघा डॅश इज नेसेसरी टू चेंज द स्पीड ॲज वेल ॲज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मोशन ऑफ ॲन ऑब्जेक्ट. हे बघा मी हे वाचून याच्यासाठी दाखवतोय की तुम्ही हे परत परत ऐका जेणेकरून तुमचा पाठ लवकर होईल. ठीक आहे. डॅश is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of the motion of an object, that is force. A. Force. The orbit of a planet revolving around the star is elliptical. Option D. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of mean distance of planet from the sun. Option C. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of masses of those bodies and is, option A, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. 5 नंबरचं बघा. The value of the universal gravitational constant G is SI unit is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The gravitational force is much weaker than other forces in nature. Gravitational force A. The value of the gravitational acceleration is highest at the pole. The value of the gravitational acceleration is 9.78 meter per second square at the equator. The free fall of an object is possible only in vacuum. The weight of any object on the moon is nearly 1/6 of weight of the earth. A person weighs 60 Newton on the earth. His weight on the moon will be 10 Newton. D'Aubigné laid down the rule, Tride's rules. न्यूलँड्स लॉज हे इथं बघा हे चुकीचं दिलेलं आहे. ट्राय वेगळं स्पेलिंग दिलेलं आहे तिथं. ट्राइड्स रूल आहे तो. Newland's law of octave is applicable up to calcium. X and Y are two elements having the similar properties which obeys the Newland's law of octave. The minimum and maximum number of the element in the X and Y respectively are minimum are 6 and maximum are 13. At the time of the Mendeleev, 63 elements were known. In Mendeleev periodic table, Eka silicon was later named as germanium. In modern periodic table, the number of the column and periods are respectively 18 and 7. Dash dash L is the outermost shell for element of period 2. 19. The group 1 and 2 constitute S block. Which pairs of the atomic numbers represent element in the same group, that is 11 and 19? Which among the following elements would lose an electron easily? That is sodium. Which among following is the largest element? That is potassium. Arrange the following elements in order of their decreasing metallic character, that is B. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon and chlorine. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the groove of the modern periodic table, that is valency. On moving from left to right in a periodic table, the size of the atom decreases. Which of the following statements about the modern periodic table is correct? That is 18 vertical columns are known as groups. The d block elements are called as elements, transition elements. The d block elements are called as transition element. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius. Dash atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost shell. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit picometer. The tendency of an element to form the cation is metallic character of that element. Bromine is in liquid form in the halogen family. While going from top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius increases. The distance of an element to form anion is non-metallic character of that element. The element from the zero groups are called noble gases. Writing chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formula is called as chemical equation. When the positive charge on an ion increases or negative charge on them decreases, it is called as oxidation. The reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. In the chemical equation, reactants are written on the left hand side. हे मराठी मीडियम मध्ये प्रोडक्ट असं दिलेले पण ते चुकीचे आहे. दॅट इज रिॲक्टंट, कारण की ते आपल्या पुस्तकात ज्याप्रमाणे दिले त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला घ्यायचं आहे, आपल्या हाताच्या नाही. Aqueous solution of zinc sulfate is added into the aqueous solution of barium chloride. This is example of double displacement reaction. The unit of electrical power is watt. The live and the neutral wires have potential difference 220 volts. An electrical bulb coil of tungsten metal is used. The electricity bill specifies the usage in units. The frequency of AC 50 Hz. These days the current in the circuit suddenly increases. MCB switches are used. A coil of an alloy nichrome is used in electric heater cooker as a resistors. The right hand thumb rule is also called Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Galvanometer is used for the electrical measurements. Which of the following scientists invented the rule of electromagnetic induction? That is Michael Faraday. Which of the following substances contract on heating? That is ice. If the pressure increases, the melting point of a substance decreases. The vapor content in the air is measured by absolute humidity. Humid and dry nature of air depends on amount of vapor in the air. Vapors in air condense to form, that is fog and rainfall. That is option D, B and C. When the temperature of the water decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, its volume increases. In region with a cold climate, the aquatic animals can survive 4 degrees Celsius because ice floating on water is insulator. The heat from the water cannot transfer to the atmosphere. Anomalous behavior of the water. All the above is the right option. From the option given below, the specific heat of iron is maximum. Ice ball is prepared from shredded ice again. This is the example of rigidation. The SI unit of specific heat, that is joule per kg degree Celsius. The Hope apparatus is used to study the anomalous behavior of the water. 4180 joule heat is necessary to raise the 1 kg water from 14.5 to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Refraction of the light. Due to refraction of the light, pencil looks bent in water in the given experiment. In the following diagram, if angle of incident 40, then the angle of emergent is 40. The ray of the light strike the glass slab at an angle 40 degree with the surface of the slab, then the angle of incidence will be 50 degree. We see the sun even after it goes below the horizon because the refraction of the light. Refractive index has no unit. This is the unit of the refractive index. Refractive index have no unit. N sin I upon sin R. This law is called as Snell's law. Lights of different colors are used as a signal for the safety transport from these wavelength of the red light, that is 700 nanometer. If the refractive index of the air with respect to the glass 2/3, what is the refractive index of with respect to air? That is inversely proportional 3/2. The process of the separation of the light into the component color while passing through a medium is called dispersion of light. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to the another transparent medium. This is called refraction of the light. A ray of light gets refracted twice while entering the lens. The point inside the lens on the principal axis through which the light axis a ray passes without changing their path is called optical center. Virtual image is formed if an object is placed between f1 and O. In the convex lens, if an object is placed at 2f1, the image is formed at 2f1. The image is formed 2f1. 1f1, 2f1. 2 minutes. वरती इथं 2f1 झालेलं आहे, इथं 2f1 झालेलं आहे, याच्यामध्ये 2f इथं 2f1 आणि इथं पाहिजे 2f2 पाहिजे b वरती, परंतु तिथं चुकीने 2f1 लिहिलेलं आहे, b पर्याय 2f2 असा पाहिजे तिथं. ठीक आहे. All distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the optical center. दोन्हीकडे 2f1 झालेलं आहे. याच्यामध्ये 76 मध्ये बघा वरती खाली 2f2 इथं पाहिजे पर्यायामध्ये, पण ते चुकीचं आहे, 2f1 असं दिलेलं आहे पर्यायामध्ये. ठीक आहे. ऑल डिस्टन्स पॅरलल टू द ऑप्टिकल प्रिन्सिपल ॲक्सिस आर मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. अ स्मॉल होल ऑफ changing diameter at the center of if iris is called pupil. For normal human eye, the near point is at 25 centimeter. A image formed by biconcave lens is always virtual and small. In relaxed state, the focal length of the healthy eye is 2.5 centimeter. For specific glass lens f.5, this is the only information given to the student which type of lens is given to him and what is its power, that is power 1D concave lens. In myopia, the human eye C. Cannot see nearby as well as distant object clearly. Due to elongation of the eyeball and increase in the curvature of the eye lens, a person cannot see distant object clearly. In hypermetropia, human eye can see distant object clearly. 86. Bifocal lens is required to correct the presbyopia defect. 20 times larger image can obtained by using a simple microscope. Compound microscope is a combination of the two convex lens and small focal length. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Stainless steel is an alloy made from the iron and the chromium nickel. Al2O3 is the basic oxide. In electrolyte reduction, alumina graphite is used as cathode. Iron is less reactive than aluminium. If the Cu, Fe, Zn, Al elements are arranged in increasing order of their reactivity, then the correct order will be which of the following, that is Cu, Fe, Zn and Al. Which of the following method is used to prevent the accumulation of greenish layers on the brass due to corrosion, that is tinning? In Welfle table method, to separate the practical particles of the gangue, that is gravitation method, is used. Aluminum oxide is amphoteric in nature. Atomic number of aluminium is 13 and its electronic configuration is 283. The chemical formula of zinc blende, that is Zn zinc sulfide. Extraction of the moderately reactive element is done by roasting and calcination method. Corrosion of the silver causes a black layer of silver sulfide. To prevent the corrosion of iron and steel, galvanizing method is used. In preparation of aqua regia, hydrochloric acid and the nitric acid are mixed. The sound of one element colliding with the another makes the noise. This property is called as sonority. Bromine exists in a liquid state at the room temperature. Ionic compounds are electrically neutral. Diamond is a good conductor of heat and bad conductor of electricity. Gold is the least reactive metal. FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, forms the green color in the water. Tin is an alloy of tin is the element. When one of the metal is an alloy is mercury, the alloy is called as amalgam. The mineral from which the metal can separated economically are called as ores. Generally, the melting and boiling point of the carbon compound are found to be less than 300 degrees Celsius. Number of valence electron in carbon atom is 4. The bond between two oxygen atom is double bond. The molecule mass of carbon compound spread over the range 10⁻²². The unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond are called as alkene. The unsaturated hydrocarbon whose structures contain the carbon-carbon triple bond are called as alkynes. The phenomenon in which the compound having the different structural formulae, the same molecular formula, is called as homologous. From the following hydrocarbon, benzene is the cyclic hydrocarbon. While going in an increasing order of the length, there is a rise in the molecular mass of the members by 14 Dalton. The general molecular formula for the homologous series of alkane is CN H2n-2. Propane is one of the combustible components of LPG. At the room temperature, ethanol is liquid. Generally, ethanol is called spirit. Due to artificial satellite, we can gather information about worldwide sitting at the home. The first person to step on the moon is Neil Armstrong. The first artificial satellite Sputnik was sent by Space Soviet Union in 1957. If the spacecraft is to be sent to travel to outer space, it must be having the maximum velocity 11.2 km per second. The group of students from the COEP Pune sent a small satellite, that is SWAYAM, through the ISRO in 2016, that is SWAYAM. The astronomical object closest to us is the moon. इथं बघा आपण पूर्ण बहुपर्यायी प्रश्न जे आहेत हे आपण पूर्ण केले इथं, आणि इथं हे पूर्ण तुम्हाला सिरियली याच चॅनलवरती मिळेल. सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. हे परत ऐका जेणेकरून ते तुमच्या पाठ होईल. याच्यासाठीच मी तुम्हाला ते बोलून दाखवलेले, फक्त दाखवलेले नाही आहेत. त्याच्यासाठी तुम्ही चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि इथून पुढचे पण नोटिफिकेशन जेणेकरून तुम्हाला मिळतील. हे परत ऐका, परत ऐका जेणेकरून तुमचे ते पाठ होऊन जातील, लर्न होऊन जातील.